Hello, welcome to Canva Creates. I'm talking about art materials. Last week I have showed some of the watercolor pencils which I use and watercolor paints. And today I'm showing watercolor pads, how to mount on the board and what type of papers. I have 90 lb watercolor pad and I have 140 lb, and you'll get 190, 300, 356, 638. As it grows the number of lb, you'll get the thickness of the paper, which it is a professional. Higher the number, so these are students grade almost. So I want to show these two papers. This is very smooth, very light, and this is little 140 will be little heavy. So I'm going to show how to mount. There are 2-3 variety types of mounting is available, and somebody they don't mount at all, just they'll paint and use spray water spray backside of the paper, and then it becomes straight. Otherwise it will it will bend easily. As the thickness of the paper, then the strong it will be. So one is oldest method. Just use water, dip it in water, soak it for some time. Actually this is like maybe 1 hour, like that. Then you have to take out maybe little bit, maybe 5-10 minutes, and then take out and you can mount. This is one method, because when you are working longer hours, this is best method. And another method is like just you can mount as it is. I have marked here with the scale. This is half inch, and then you can mount with this is what I have Scotch tape. Usually for watercolor paper to mount, we used to have it's like a gum tape, which is very strong. So removing is very difficult. Once you remove, the paper will stuck here, so it looks ugly, and you have to cut that to get it framed. So you have to leave more space on the sides. Duct tape, I mean, this is what I use usually. Scotch tape, it worked very well. This is 2-inch and this is 1-inch tape. So here putting and then other side. And another side. So it's up to you how much border you want to leave for the framing, like 1 inch or half inch. It is up to you. Just think before mounting. So this is what I did it, and then now take the spray bottle with water, just spray it. Why you have to spray water means the paints when you are applying. It won't absorb much into the paper and it gives a nice look. So this is a paper. This is what paper towel I said. You keep it ready whenever required. So if water is more also, it's no problem. But now you have to leave it for some time. But before that, take some safety pin, just at the corners, just punch. Usually they don't, I mean, some people they do it, some people they don't do it. Once, if it is good painting, I mean, you want to do, paper will be straight. So now the air will spread out easily and the paper will be like very straight as it is. So you can, when you are doing any painting with the longer hours, mounting is very good. This is what I have shown, and another method. And some people just they paint on dry, with the dry paints also. It is very good. Not necessary to tape it on the board. So I want to show one of my list I did. This is one flower which is called Tangedu. Tangedu in our language. We use it for a festival at the time of Batukama. We celebrate flowers, so we do that festival. And I want to talk about this watercolor techniques. Sultan. It's a nice book I found. It's good. Books are just for reference, you can see, and if it is anything related you are doing the technique, you can use it. And this is another book, watercolor. Usually recently I bought this one in the bookshop. So now I want to show one of my books. This is a Yosemite Park National Park in California. Photo courtesy is my friend. She came from India and she had sent this. I did not visit it. I have to do that. I have to visit. So this is what I did, watercolor painting by using Prisma watercolor and this is what I have used. So Derwent watercolor pencils. Mostly I have used pencils, but first initially I have used Academy Blombosher watercolor paints I have used. So this is what I had one canvas especially for watercolor. I have shown last week in last week video I have shown that. So I did this painting to show. This is absolutely watercolor canvas and I have used pencils, and watercolor paints as it is. So this is for now, And another one I would like to talk about is so this is what I did to show, and please watch my videos and don't forget to subscribe and please share. Thank you.